Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time I have this ginormous box. I can't even keep it in, or put it in the picture. But yeah, I have another unboxing for you. What can I say? So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got this time. Okay, so I'm going to put this box on the ground because it is way too damn big. And so like I said in the previous video, that 2018 wish list that I had, oh, let me adjust the camera a little bit. Yeah, just forget about it because I did not stick to it. And yeah, so these items was actually pretty a surprise to me because I did not order them. Well, I ordered them from my SA, but my SA ordered them for me without actually telling me. Because, so I originally, if you had seen my 2018 wish list video, I was really dying to have the silver keepall, aka the reflective monogram keepall from Kim Jones's last runway show. And I am on the wait list for the titanium keepall, and so I don't know if I'll get that one or not. But my SA ordered me this one that I will unbox here in a few seconds. And I sort of figured, so it's not my favorite canvas of the last of Kim Jones's designs, but I was determined to get a piece from that collection, and so this one I decided to keep, or to take, because yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to get either of those other ones. So without further ado, let me go ahead and open it up. So I have my blade.
A few moments later.
So this box is literally ginormous. It's probably, I don't know, 2 feet cubed. Okay, so let me go ahead and, so he sent me a bag, which I don't think this item will fit in, but let's see. Okay, so I have one box. I have a bigger box, and then I have a smaller box, 2 smaller boxes, so we will see what are in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so he sent me another box. Okay, so that is all that is in the box. So let me go ahead and I'll clean that all up later, but let me go ahead and put these boxes out of the way. And let me open up, just trying to figure out, okay, so this is the box that I will start with, and let me go ahead and unbox it with you guys. So here is the dust bag. And this is sort of a guess to what the other items are. And this is the monogram upside down. And the LV, as you can see, is in a hot pink. If it'll focus. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, so that'll probably be the best there you go. So, and the canvas is called ink, monogram ink, I believe, and it is reminiscent of the Chapman Brothers monogram that they use for that line. And so that is the reason why I wasn't so excited about this line in particular, just because they sort of reused the monogram. But it is cool that there is a playful LV on there in the pink, and it being June, or National Pride Month, I thought it was fitting that I got this piece. And so this piece is made in France. And let me go ahead and go into the other ones, just so this video isn't too long. Okay, so let me go into this item here. Let me take off the ribbon. And here we go. Let me open up with you guys. Alright, so here is the item. Let me just take it out and put the box away. Alright, so here you can see it is a flat item. You guys have any guesses of what it could be? But it is I think it's called the Pochette Apollo, and you can see it is in the same canvas as that keychain, the big old upside down LV there. And this is a navy blue canvas. Here you go. And on the back side, it's really fun. It says, "Have a Vuitton day." Well, that's really cool. And here, and the hardware is even in, it's hard to see. You can probably see it here. It is sort of in a pink color, which I think is really cool. Alright, and then inside it just has, here are the tags. And so there is a single pocket in here, and then a larger pocket on the inside here, which you can't really see because it's so dark. And it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, and it also has the the pink lettering, or the foil for the hot stamp there. But yeah, so that is that piece, and let me go ahead and show you the final piece. I probably already alluded to it by saying what was on my wish list and what I eventually decided to get. And so let me go ahead and get the biggest box out here. Alright, here it is. And let me go ahead and take off the ribbon. And I'm really actually excited about this this canvas, because it is actually very gorgeous in person. Okay, so here is my receipts, and I won't show you that because you guys all know what receipts look like. Okay, so here is, oh my gosh, okay, so here is the item. Let me just take it out. Oh my goodness, okay, so here, I'll put it on top of the box. Oh my gosh, okay, so this is my very first item of this type. But let me just take it out, because you guys probably already guessed it. It is a keepall. It is my very first keepall in my collection. Okay, here we go. Oh wow, this is really pretty. Okay, so here is the keepall, and this is a keepall 50. Oh wow, so I know this is a bandoulier. Here is the strap. Alright, and here I believe is the lock and key. I don't know if you can see it. It's like in a navy blue, which is really cool. So it comes with a lock and 2 keys. But let's just take a second to look at this bag. It is such a pretty bag. And it does come with a luggage tag, as you can see, with that pink hardware. all the hardware except for the D-ring and the buckles or the clasps are in that pink. So here is more pink hardware. So this is really pretty, and if this is the keepall that I have for Kim Jones's last collection, I'm actually pretty happy. It's really cool. And it's definitely a statement piece. So let me take this. So my filming area here is very cramped, but I am making use of it as best as I can. And let me take this piece out again. And how I plan to use this is I would just put it. So I noticed also, so the hardware on here is not that pink. It is in sort of like a gray or dark silver. I guess you could call it ruthenium. But I wish it was in the pink. But I will put it on there like that. And you could hardly see it, so I might not put it there, but we will see. So that is the main items that I got. Let me show you guys what are in these other boxes here. So he also gave me a couple boxes here, and holy moly. Okay, let me open up this one. So he gave me more samples. So I told him that, or I asked him if I could get another set of the men's colognes so I could, you know, send to my dad if he was interested in any of these. So he gave me a full set. And I also told him that I really loved the citrusy fragrance that I purchased recently, which is Le Jour Célèbre, and he sent me a whole set of those also. So yeah, that is awesome. Oh my goodness. So I have a lot of these fragrance samples now. But yeah, so that does it for this. I want to call it epic haul. This is just amazing. I love this keepall. There you go. So yeah, just gotta maybe stuff it to remove all the creases. But yeah, this canvas you can see is very pretty. And yeah, I'm really excited. So thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.